First of all, it's very chilly here in Canada, and the things which are warming up is the trade war, which has been escalated by the President Trump. So now what happened? Because the USA imposed 104% tariff on Chinese import, and in retaliation, the China has also imposed 84% tariff on US import to China. So things are getting worse, and the trade war and now at its peak. Because of these decisions, the billion of people are suffering around the globe. People are losing job. We in Canada are feeling the heat already, because most of our export was to USA. Like 70-80% of our export was to USA, and now they have to look for the new market. And I think it's a good opportunity for Canadian to to diversify their economy. Otherwise, they were totally depending on US market, which was okay, but now they got the shock of their lifetime. Although Canadian and the American has a common history of fighting war together, doing everything together, and like a real brotherly relation. Although our like Canadian democracy operate on a different system, and you has a different economic system. We have little different social and economics bounding. We have lot of social safety net here for the people who cannot compete or who cannot survive individually, and USA doesn't have that much safety net. But still, they were like the same country, and I mean, all of a sudden they got these shocks, and I think it's good for Canada. I just heard some comment of President Trump that 70 countries around the globe are kissing my ass to get a better deal. This shows that he is feeling the pressure now. The word he's using, being a president, he shouldn't use these words, but it shows that he's feeling the pressure now, and the things are heating up. And whenever I realize in my life, and everybody knows that whenever somebody says that I am the best in the deal, I know everything, then the downfall start. The decision, are not rational. So same thing is happening here. The President Trump say he knows everything, and he knows all other countries, and like I know everything. I. So then the trouble start for country, trouble start for the people. And the country who are trying to deal with USA, of course, later on they're gonna diversify their economy as well. But right now, in order to survive as a economy or as a country, they're trying to negotiate with the elephant. The US economy is like a huge, like the 50 state or like the 50 country together, and the livelihood, the bread and butter of many countries, labor depend upon their export. So they know the elephant is not behaving properly, but they are very smart, and they are smart enough to talk with you to get a better deal for time being. But it's not gonna be a long-term deal. So world is changing faster than you think. The world is changing faster than you think. It's not the 1800 or 1900 or early 20th centuries. Things are changing faster and faster. So it's better to unite the world. It's better to trade freely with each other. It's better to consider other people human being as well. So one person ego, one person I know the better is destroying the livelihood and life of many people. Please stop it. And you have every right to deal with the country. Do it individually. Have a deal with them. Get a better deal for Americans. You have every right to do that. But not on a massive level, not on to destroying the livelihood of billions of people around the world. Thank you very much.